Has your roof been hit by the recent hurricane? Don't wait until the next storm to get your roof inspected. You may know that you need someone to come out and look at your roof. You might think it's just a repair. What you don't know is that if your roof has damage underneath the shingles, you may need a full roof replacement. We work directly with your insurance company to ensure you get the exact service you need. Your insurance company may try and tell you that you just need a quick fix. That's because they don't want to pay, even though you may need a complete roof replacement. Click the link below this video to schedule your free roof inspection today. Don't forget to use code GAF500 to save $500 on your roof replacement. Don't wait. Let us take a look at your roof today. Click the link below this video to schedule your free roof inspection.